Beats Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to transform my hair from a short hair to a very full natural 4C hair look. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm so excited to share this beautiful clipping with you guys. This clipping is from CurlsCurls hair company. I'm going to put all the hair specs in the description box below. This is their Kinky coily clipping. It looks like our natural 4C hair, and the great thing about this clipping is that you can style it in so many different ways. One bundle is enough for your hair. This is one bundle. It contains 10 clippings, so it's way more than enough. If it's too full, you can definitely use 8 or 7. It depends on the style you're doing anyway. And another wonderful thing is the fact that this clipping is pretty affordable because it's factory direct, you know, so you get a great quality for an affordable price. I'm so excited to show you guys all the beautiful styles you can do with this hair, and it's so easy to install. It doesn't take time at all. You know, if you're rushing on a busy day, you can just put this on and off you go. So now, without further ado, now let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. Like I said earlier on, this is one bundle clipping and it contains 10 clipping in total. So before installing the clipping, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly wash the clipping. So I'm gonna wash it with my shampoo. After washing it with my shampoo, I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna apply my conditioner and then comb it out. After combing it out, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out again, and afterwards I'm just gonna apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner, but I'm just gonna let you guys wash and see for yourself. So after washing it, I'm gonna let it air dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my braiding pattern. It's just a very simple one. I'm going for a versatile look in such a way that I would like to style it in different ways. So I'm just sectioning the front of my hair, as in all around my hair, the front, the side, the back, and I'm just gonna secure it loosely. I'm gonna do like a loose cornrow. Then I'm gonna do like simple braids, cornrows on my hair in the middle. So after doing the cornrows on my hair in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the clippings. So I'm gonna start with the longer sets at the back. Then I'm gonna work my way forward with the short sets of clippings. So right here at the moment, I'm going for a side pattern. So that's what I'm doing. So after installing the clipping, I'm going to go ahead and take down the cornrow and then blend it with the clipping. As you guys can see, this clipping actually looks like our 4C natural hair, and it's so easy to install. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it with the clippings, my hair with the clippings. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. You guys can see it looks like our 4C natural hair. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love this clippings. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it a little bit more to show you guys more styles. So I'm gonna use my hair piece. I'm just tie it around like so. And this is what the other style looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So I tried to take down the clipping. I'm just gonna position it another way because I'm going for an all back look. So I'm just gonna put all my hair all to the back like so, and I'm gonna try to blend it very well with my hair. So you guys can see how it blends very well with my natural hair. And this I decided to put it in a low bun as well like so, and it looks so beautiful. So right here I'm just gonna do like a fringe, without even cutting the hair. So I'm just gonna do like a fringe. You can also do it like that if you want. It's absolutely beautiful. And that is what it's gonna be for this video, guys. I absolutely love this clipping. It's so versatile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.